Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Justice with Ken. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that generally happens after you win your case and the defendant doesn't want to pay you. So, what do? They call it a writ of execution. A writ is a powerful legal tool. It's a court order that authorizes the sheriff seize property or assets from the losing party to satisfy a court judgment. So let's say you went through the whole legal process and presented your evidence. The judge ruled in your favor and you got a money judgment. But the other side, the defendant, refuses to pay. You don't walk away. This is where you file for that writ of execution. That writ allows the sheriff to go out and collect what's yours, whether that means garnishing wages, seizing bank accounts, or even auctioning off non-exempt personal property like vehicles and real estate. So now let's break it down into real steps. Number one, you get the judgment from the court. Number two, you wait 10 to 30 days so that the deal is sealed. Once the writ is issued, the sheriff gets involved, and then they can enforce the judgment by seizing assets and applying the proceeds to unpaid judgments. Now, whenever the sheriff gets involved and they seize the assets, if they have to auction off the assets, they get paid a percentage. It's a small percent, but they get paid a percentage for executing that, enforcing the writ for you. But here's the key. You must know what the defendant owns and where it's located. The court won't do the legwork for you. This is where tools like post-judgment discovery comes into play. Subpoenas, interrogatories, depositions. You find the assets, then you strike. Don't worry, I'll cover how to locate assets in the future. So remember, just because you won in court doesn't mean the fight is over. Justice is not just served in the courtroom, it's enforced through actions. If you got a judgment that's collecting dust, it's time to dust it off and execute your right, literally. This has been Justice with Ken. Like, share, and subscribe. And for more legal power moves, stay tuned. And remember, what you didn't know about the writ of execution yesterday, you know today. Bye.